Welcome RM Touch CCNA Practical Labs. In this lesson, we will learn how to make configuration standard access control lists. Standard access control lists are security tools that control network traffic based on source IP addresses. Configured on routers and switches, they permit or deny traffic and are numbered from 1 to 99. Standard access control lists apply an implicit deny rule at the end, meaning any traffic not explicitly allowed is blocked. While useful for restricting access to resources, they lack the granularity of extended access control lists, which filter by both source and destination IP addresses and port numbers. So as you see in here, in our topology, consists of these two departments, sales departments and finance departments, and this server room. So we want to allow to access in sales departments only on the servers, and we deny the finance department in this servers. As you see in here in this network, they are a same IP address, and they use the IP address of this interface 192.168.20.0. So we wanted to access sales departments only and in this server, and we deny in finance department to access in this server. So first, in our first step, we will make the configured IP addresses to the routers and hosts. So click this router, no, enable config interface gigabyte 0/0 IP addresses 192.168.20.1 255.255.255.0 no shutdown. Okay, come this another interface gigabyte 01 interface gigabyte 01, and we will assign this IP address 20.20.20.1 IP address 20.20.20.1 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. Okay, we will give the IP addresses to the hosts 192.168.20.10, and this default gateway is 20.1. Come this another host 20.20, and this default gateway is 20.1. Okay, come this PC, and it is 20.30, and this default gateway is 20.1. And come this last PC 20.40, and this default gateway is 20.1. Okay, come this server, how to give IP addresses 20.20.20.10. It is default gateway is 20.1. Come this second server 20.20, and it is default gateway is 20.1. Now we finish for configuring IP addresses to the router and hosts. And in our next step is to configure. Okay, first we will test if they can reach or not. So in our hosts, we will test it can reach the server or not. Okay, ping 192.168, sorry, 20.20.20.20. Okay, come this another PC, 20, okay, ping 20.20.20.10. As you see in here, they can reach. Okay, come this another BC, ping 20.20.20.10. Okay, they can reach and ping 20.20.20.10. Okay, can reach this BC. Come this another BC finance department, ping 20.20.20.10. As you see, we can talk to each other. Okay, come this last BC in finance department, ping 20.20.20.10 or the 20, yeah. Yes, they can ping to each other. So in our next step, we will make the configure a standard access control list to only permit the two IBPCs with the two sales departments while denying the rest. So we wanted to allow only access these sales departments in the servers, and we deny in this finance departments. So to start, click this router, exit, access list 10, permit host. We wanted to permit only these two networks, 192.168.20.10 and 192.168.20.20. Okay, 192.168.20.10 and access list 10, permit host 192.168.20.20. Okay, and we deny these two pieces in the finance department. Okay, access list 10, deny any. Okay, and then interface, you will allow to configure this interface in interface gigabyte 0/0 IP access group 10 in, and save your configuration, do right. Now we will test. Click this PC and ping 20.20.20.20 or the 10. Okay, this hosty is okay. Come this another hosty, it can reach the servers or not. Okay, ping 10, sorry, 20.20.20.10. Yes, and also this another PC in the sales department can ping in the servers. So now we will test it if the sales department can reach the server or not. Okay, come this PC into sales department. First was replay. Now we will test ping 20.20.20.10. Okay, as you see in here, the destination host unreachable. So come this another PC, ping 20 20.20.20.10, and also the destination host is unreachable because we only permit the two sales pieces while denying in the rest. So now we finish for the configuring standard access control lists configuration, and please subscribe and share, and we will see you in the next class.